Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. And here we're taking a look at the last Yankee built, serial number 479. And just like with the Project Tiger, we have a pile of parts on the floor. Now, a lot of those are spare parts that aren't going to go back on the airplane. They're just inventory from the aircraft. But as you saw right there at the beginning with the shop rag tools, for November 6259 Lima, we're starting to pick up the pieces for the engine. We have 4 new cylinders. We have a Surefly mag. We'll have some other stuff. We have a JPI 830 coming in, so stay tuned.
So we would like to ask you, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So there's the last Yankee once again. Now that's a new propeller. It's just been overhauled. It's a cent-inch propeller for the 0360 that's going up front. It also came with a spinner and all the back plates. So we'll be adding that because the one that's on the airplane now, if you run your hand across it, you can just tell it's not going to ever pass muster if we send it to a shop, which is why we have a new prop. Engine's going to be coming off and going to get overhauled, and we'll be completing the annual on this. We're going to be picking up the pace on this airplane. Want to get it done before the cold weather sets in for the fall this year. So anyway, coming along, again, the engine's going to go out to Triple V engines here on the field and get overhauled, a new propeller on it. And we're going to have some fun with this airplane. It's going to be a blast to fly. I mean, how many airplanes on 9 gallons an hour can you go 200 miles an hour? And then there's the pile of parts we're going to be adding for the engine overhaul. We've got the new cylinders, a Surefly. We've got a JPI 830 coming in to monitor the new engine. So stay tuned for some more project reports, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. Hope you're having fun.